The LALAHOME RealScooper is a groundbreaking invention that is making waves in the world of pet care, particularly for cat owners. In this review video, we will explore the key features and advantages of the LALAHOME RealScooper, highlighting how it has transformed the pet ownership experience. When your cat go inside, it will show you that cat in and also show its weight. Before we move ahead, please subscribe our channel and hit the bell notification icon for more product review videos.
Today I'll be trying out the LALAHOME RealScooper automatic litter box. This automatic hands-free litter box will completely replace your traditional litter box, and you'll never have to scoop litter again. It's a fairly large unit, and it's big enough for pretty much any size cat. Despite its large size, it's lightweight and easy to carry. It also looks great in my home, and barely looks like a litter box at all. The white and gray finish is a nice touch. This litter box is unlike any other on the market. It features a human-simulated scoop design, which is highly efficient. The device can go maintenance-free for up to 15 days, and when it's time to empty the litter, all you have to do is remove the liner and put in a new one. The disposal method is an easy 3-step process. With the new liner in place, we can replace the tray and fill it up with litter. This litter box has a genius automatic self-refilling feature. All you have to do is add litter to the top and it does the rest. Be careful not to overload the litter compartment, or the mechanism can get stuck. The box will fill itself with litter automatically, but you can also manually add litter with the push of a button. The touch-sensitive LCD screen is easy to use and easy to read, and it even has built-in Wi-Fi for app connectability. This new box has a built-in light, an ozone deodorizer, and a UVC sterilization machine. The litter box will clean automatically, but if you need a little extra help, you can press the button and the box will go through another cleaning cycle. This revolutionary new design simulates a human scoop. This maximizes efficiency while minimizing the mess that's left in the litter box. Once the waste is removed, the scoop will go back through the litter box and even things out. This gives your cat a clean and consistent area to use the restroom whenever they're ready. All the components inside this litter box are well made and built to last. Our little kitty loved the litter box, but the real question is, what does Mama Cat think? She was a little intimidated at first, but warmed up to the litter box right away. Don't forget, this litter box is Wi-Fi enabled and compatible with the LALAHOME app, available for both iOS and Android devices. Connecting the box to your home's Wi-Fi is a simple process and takes only a minute. Simply hold the Wi-Fi button for 3 seconds and the litter box will enter pairing mode. Once in pairing mode, the app will recognize it almost instantly. Connecting the litter box through the app will give you full control over all its amazing features. You'll even have access to the litter box intelligent settings, which include cat health tracking, waste bag replenishment reminders, and so much more. The box is equipped with an intelligent weighing system, so you can keep track of your cat's weight. It even has built-in sensors, which protect your cat if it needs to go to the restroom while the box is cleaning. The entire litter box is easy to clean and easy to maintenance. You can even take out the scoop for a nice thorough cleaning. It takes only seconds to remove the litter tray for cleaning. You can just dump the excess litter into the bag before throwing it out, and then rinse the tray with warm water. When replacing the tray, you'll hear an audible click. Now just toss out the bag, put in a new one, and you're ready to go. This litter box has been amazing for both my kitties and myself. If you'd like to learn more about it, check out the link below.
One of the standout features of the LALAHOME RealScooper is its ability to automatically clean the cat's litter box. It uses smart sensors to detect when your cat has used the box and then initiates a cleaning cycle, raking through the litter to remove clumps and waste. On top of every RealScooper is a safe reserve chamber that can store up to 6 kilograms of litter. When RealScooper's weighing mechanism sensor detects low litter levels, it automatically drops in fresh cat litter. The LALAHOME RealScooper is a game changer in the world of pet care, specifically for cat owners. Its innovative design and automated cleaning capabilities make it a valuable addition to any cat owner's home. Before leaving, please subscribe our channel and hit the bell notification icon for more product review videos.